steps are to open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. And click on the Mailings tab on the top. Click on Start Mail Merge and select Labels on the drop-down list. In the next box, you're going to be telling Word what kind of printer you're going to be using, and most home printers are page printers, whether they're laser or inkjet. You're also going to tell it what kind of labels you're going to print on. Your label type should coincide with the label number on the packaging that the labels came in, or whatever's printed on the edge or the back of the label sheet. Avery 5160 is a standard format for 8.5 by 11 sheets of regular size mailing labels. Click OK and the box will close. Now notice how this blank sheet is now delineated to match the label format you chose. Now click on Select Recipients. In the drop-down menu, select Use Existing List. In the first of 3 boxes coming up, you're going to find and select your data source. This should be the file name of your Excel spreadsheet from Part 1. In the Confirm Data Source box, go ahead and accept the default settings by clicking OK. And in the third and last box called Select Table, select the name you defined for your list in Part 1. It'll probably be the only name in your list, but we happen to have some extras in ours. At this point, we should probably go ahead and save our document in case a disaster strikes. Now, in the top left label, you're going to start adding your merge fields. So you want to position your cursor where you want each field to appear. And you add spaces where you normally would add them whenever you write somebody's name and address to put on an envelope. So things like such as between the first and the last names and the numbers and streets and so on. Now these characters with the arrow-like points are called chevrons, and they're only placeholders and they're not going to print on your labels. After you've set up the layout of your individual fields, click on Update Labels, and you should see the placeholders appear on all the labels on the sheet now. And click on Preview Results, and your placeholder should now be replaced with your data. And click on Finish and Merge to print. Make sure your labels are loaded in the correct sheet feeder in your printer and click OK, and that should be it.